Contour surveyors play a crucial role in the development of urban areas, like Palam Vihar. They are responsible for accurately mapping the terrain and identifying the contours of the land. By conducting detailed surveys, contour surveyors provide valuable information to architects, engineers, and urban planners, enabling them to design infrastructure that is well suited to the natural landscape. In Palam Vihar, where the terrain is diverse and complex, contour surveyors are particularly important in ensuring that development projects are carried out efficiently and with minimal environmental impact. Palam Vihar, located in Gurugram, is a rapidly developing suburb that has seen significant growth in recent years. As new residential and commercial projects are being planned and constructed, it is crucial to have accurate contour surveys to guide the design process. Contour surveyors in Palam Vihar utilize advanced technologies such as DGP sound laser scanning to accurately measure the elevation and slope of the land. This data is then used to create contour maps, which provide a detailed visual representation of the terrain. These maps are an essential tool for architects and designers, as they allow them to understand the topography of the area and make informed decisions about building placement and design. SCON Design is a reputable firm specializing in contour surveys in Palam Vihar. With their expertise and state-of-the-art equipment, SCON Design ensures that their surveys are accurate and reliable. They have a team of experienced surveyors who are well-versed in using the latest technologies to capture precise data. This enables them to provide clients with detailed contour maps that are essential for a wide range of projects, including residential developments, commercial complexes, and infrastructure planning. Contour surveyors are essential to the growth of cities like Palam Vihar. They are in charge of precisely charting the terrain and figuring out its contours. Contour surveyors carry out thorough surveys that give architects, engineers, and urban planners important information that helps them create infrastructure that complements the surrounding environment. Contour surveyors are crucial in ensuring that development projects are carried out effectively and with the least possible environmental damage in Palam Vihar, where the terrain is diverse and complex. Gurugram's Palam Vihar is a fast-expanding suburb that has experienced tremendous growth in recent years. Accurate contour surveys are essential for assisting in the planning and construction of new residential and commercial buildings. In Palam Vihar, contour surveyors use cutting-edge equipment like DGP sound laser scanning to precisely measure the height and slope of the ground. Contour maps, which offer a thorough visual picture of the topography, are then made using this data. These maps are a crucial tool for architects and designers since they help them comprehend the local terrain and decide where to locate and how to design buildings. In Palam Vihar, a prominent company called SCON Design specializes in contour surveys. SCON Design guarantees the accuracy and dependability of their surveys with their experience and cutting-edge tools. They have a group of skilled surveyors who are skilled in gathering exact data using the most recent technologies. As a result,